quote. How long have you guys been in this unit?
It's our first day.
You just moved in?
Yes, yesterday we tried to use the shower and less than 5 minutes all the water was there.
You guys have some paper towel? No, that's fine. Just because there's supposed to be a leak downstairs. And I want to fill this up to see if it's still leaking. I need one.
Is it just hair?
That's all that was, yeah.
So I thought was a mini concrete or something.
Well, that's what I thought too. That's why I asked how long you guys have been here. Because when they regrout, when they do the grout, a lot of times it will go down in the drain. So that's what we don't want to happen. When did you guys have it right full? Like, did it fill right up?
Yeah, we were using shower.
But did it fill? Like, did it come over the floor?
No.
Well, yeah. You'd be surprised why I asked that. It's like I've literally gone to people's kitchens and they're literally just letting the water overflow. It's like, what are you doing? It's not my problem. It's like, it is your problem. It's your house. So I always ask the questions that seem stupid, but there's a reason I ask. Because I don't understand where the leak is coming from unless there's a problem with it, water seeping.
No, they can use from this fast.
Well-
Or we have the other one. The other one I told Alex. So I told you yesterday we were using the system there. And then everything was okay, but then we came back and then on the floor there was water. And I was touching different areas to see if there was the water.
Oh, he told me the unit downstairs it was leaking through the ceiling.
Yeah, but I
Either this one or it could be the other one.
Yeah.
Or the other bathroom.
But downstairs? That's what he's saying, downstairs, the unit below here.
Yeah,
The water is coming from here or the other bathroom?
my other bathroom.
Oh, I don't know, he did say the shower. Seems like it's draining good now. So I'm gonna...
Let's see the other bathroom.
Do I want to see the other bathroom? Do you have a problem in the other bathroom?
It's raining.
It's draining?
We believe so. We want to show it to you. But I don't know if you could also see that. It's...
Well, is it draining?
Yes, it is.
Okay. I can't fix something that's not broken, right?
We're pretty sure it's broken. So
You're pretty sure it's broken? Why is it broken? It's draining.
no, I'm talking about the sink.
The sink is broken?
There is water leakage over there, coming from the sink probably.
Probably. You said you seen water on the floor, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
But you didn't see where it was coming from.
No, because like all the sorry for that. No, that's it. So I have my paper towel over there, also in the same position,
Yeah.
and all the paper towel was wet, and then the paper towel, and then like this area, and I couldn't feel, and then the
And you-
floor, and I couldn't.
Somebody wouldn't have just washed their hands and like,
I
no?
don't think so.
You don't think so?
I mean, because I was getting, I want to use the shower. Okay, sure. Please. Here, so, like we were, let's put it up.
Yeah.
So we were using just here, and then all the paper towel was wet, and then here, when we can, after like a couple of minutes, so I don't know. Se te sale ahí. Or can we get toilet? No.
Do me a favor, grab your toothbrushes out of there.
Yeah. Like, we just moved everything. Okay.
We have this paper if you want.
Huh?
You want this one?
No, I want this. The reason I want this, because that brown paper towel, it pushes it around.
Oh.
This is gonna soak it up, right? Now I'll take that brown paper towel. Now the good thing about this is it's gonna show where there's water, because it's gonna turn dark brown, right?
Okay, that's how I make it.
Thank you. Well, alright, thanks. Thanks. So what's broken?
Can you close that?
Sure when you're gone,
Huh?
You're sure when I'm gone it's good?
it's gonna be the floor.
I don't know what's all the way here.
So it doesn't like me?
I don't know. I think it takes time.
What's all the way here.
But you said your
And then
toilet
the
paper.
It was wet. Like
So
here.
if that's wet, right?
Yeah,
That's gotta come from up top,
yeah,
not down at the bottom,
yeah.
right? The only place it's gonna come up from the top
Here or here, right?
is the water, right? It's the faucet. That's unless it's seeping through the ceiling, which there's no markings, right? So it has to be from this. Make sense? Yeah? No?
It makes sense, but
I'm not saying you guys are lying. I'm not saying any of that. I gotta go off of what I see, right? This is the only, yeah, but that down here wouldn't get this
No,
paper
no.
wet.
Yeah, but then how the floor was wet.
Well, if the floor was wet, then it could have seeped down over the counter, right? Like if this is here,
Yeah, but it was yeah, and it was here.
no, I understand that. But
Yeah.
if this is here, it's not coming. The water's not jumping from the floor, right?
Yeah.
Am I wrong? If you guys can tell me I'm wrong and give me some evidence to prove it.
Okay.
yeah, it's fine. Doesn't this crack is not related, isn't it?
Possible. But that wouldn't, again, that wouldn't
Okay,
get the toilet paper wet,
100%
all right? Do you guys fill the sink right up?
No.
No.
No, just regular hand washing.
So you just, and you keep it open like this?
It's our second day. No, first day.
No, I understand what you're saying. But you don't. Alright guys, so the camera shut off right at the end there. We couldn't find any leak on that faucet in the bathroom. So until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna.